Before this video starts, I have to take a massive shout out to you guys. Thank you guys so much for 64 subscribers. We couldn't do this without you guys. So thank you for all the support. And the Great Wolf Lodge video should release Wednesday, October 2nd. Thank you guys so much for all the support. And yeah, on to this week's video.
Kind of getting a little hungry. I love these videos. I'm getting pretty hungry though. Let's see what we have for lunch. Hot Pockets! What's up here? Chicken nuggets. Yay. Air fryer. Why are you opening? Just open it. No! Oh crap. Whoops. Alright. How do I get these in the air fryer? I should have think before I dumped them all out. Crap.
Smells good. Junior, what is this? They spilt out of the bag. Clean this up right now, Junior. Clean it up. Ow. Care, just clean up all the chicken nuggets. I spent... How much was this? $13 on chicken nuggets, and you just wasted all of them. Bad, Junior.
Sorry, they just spilt all out. I don't know how.
Well, make me some. I'll be in the garage.
How many do you want?
One.
One?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I need a paper plate. Okay, we got a paper plate. There's my dad's chicken nugget. And I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Okay. Just don't drop the chicken nuggets on the floor. Okay. Oh, I need fries too. French fries. Okay, this time I'm not gonna drop all of them on the counter. Okay. How did this happen? How? They're not even opened. Clean up on aisle 5. Alright. Okay, I'm just gonna eat those. Okay. I have a huge mess to pick up. I got chicken nugget crumbs all over me. Oh crap, they're everywhere. Alright, come on. Might need to take a shower. Oh, I gotta put the fries away too. Oh crap. Dump the fries. Oh, I gotta put those in the air fryer. No. Oh, okay. Come on. Let's go. Come on, get it. Alright. I'll season them after, because that's what McDonald's does. Look at that sizz. Alright. How do I put the fries in there? They almost just fell all over the floor. That would have been bad. Just get in there. Alright. Oh crap. No, another MARIOstar7 video is gonna play. No. Nobody cares about Fruity Pebbles. Fruity Pebbles suck. Dude, why does this hate me? Hey, big Clorox wipe. Turn the garbage around. Push that in. Time to get the ketchup. Junior. Larry, watch out. Junior, what do you mean? Oh, Junior! What the frick? Oh my god, Junior, I can't see. Why is there ketchup? Oh my god. Oh. Junior, why was it? Why did you? Oh my god, Larry, I'm so sorry. Larry, are you okay? He's probably fine. Sure. Stir him up. Okay. No, crap, Larry, you got the floor all wet. Come on, Larry, you know you're not supposed to do that. Hey, I didn't miss this time. Clean up on aisle 5 again. Oh. Junior, of all things, why ketchup? Because we can't afford mustard. I hate you. So I'm gonna take a bath. I think we're out of hot water. Nobody cares about Fruity Pebbles. Alright. Nuggets they're looking good. Mix them all up. Applesauce. 43 seconds. Done. Perfect. This is... Okay, what plate did we use? I think we threw it away. Alright. Plate. Got it. There we go. Alright, applesauce. Oh crap, that's so heavy. Hey, they're done. Oh my god, that's so hot. Oh my god. My chicken nuggets. Oh my god, that's so hot. Bruh. Stepped on one, are you kidding me? Frick. Oh, the trash can's inverted. Why is that so hot? It's literally steaming. I'll just leave it there. Alright. All of that, lunch is good. pretty good. Oh, I got ketchup on my foot. No.
Oh, a French fry. Ah, why is that hot?
Oh, hey, Lemmy.
Are you gonna eat this?
Lemmy, there might be more applesauce on the counter over there, behind you.
Ooh. Well, I did. So, have you guys seen Larry?
He might be in the shower. I'm not.
Oh my god! I need to turn the light on. Ah! This feels so nice. Oh, it's cold! Ah! Throw me in the dryer! Oh my god, it smells pretty good. Why does it smell like ketchup? Probably Junior spilled ketchup everywhere. Junior! Lemmy! There's ketchup! Why is there applesauce and ketchup everywhere? Lemmy! You are being bad.
No!
Ugh. Oh. So angry with you, Lemmy. You almost burned down the house.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did find some enjoyment out of this video, please consider subscribing. It helps us out a lot. And thank you guys so much for 64 subscribers. You guys crushed the sub goal last time. So the Great Wolf Lodge video should be out October 2nd. Yes, mark your calendars. October 2nd is when Wolf Lodge video will premiere at this time right there. That's when it releases, or premieres actually, so don't miss that. And thank you guys so much for everything. I couldn't do this without you guys, so thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of your day.